Hello, now I am packing the V6. This is V6 monitor. And this is accessory box. And menu. SPO2 extension cable. SPO2 sensor. Adult cuff. PVC pipe. Grounding cable. And power cable. Battery, record paper, ear muff holder, ear muff, and this is the zerometer. And then we unpacking the monitor. You can see in the front this power button and SPO2 socket, 9 massive pressure socket, 3 knob, NIBP button, record button, suspend and silence button, main screen button, and recorder, and SD slot. And this is a temperature socket, power socket, serial socket, network socket, USB socket, nurse calling socket, and grounding socket. And this is the zerometer holder. And in the bottom is the battery. And we will put the battery in. You can see here is a PC. It help us to put the battery out. And here have the lock. And if you want to take the battery out, first press this and then push it. And now I am showing the operation of about V6 monitor. First, connect the power cable. plug in. And you will see two indicating lamp. This is the AC power indicating lamp, and this means our battery is in charging. Power button. And on our main screen, we'll see the patient's ID, patient's name, patient's type, patient's gender, patient's age, and we should set it. Just for example. We have two modes in mood select. One is clinic mode, another is monitor mode. In clinic mode, we only monitor the patient's ID. Every patient have an ID, and it can monitor multi patients. And in monitor mode, we can just monitor one patient. And then we will connect the cable. First is SPO2 cable. This is the extension. Plug in. Put your finger inside, we will see the red light. After 4 seconds, you show the waveform. And the value. Then is cough. Then the cell meter. We should take care of the cell meter need a mouth. First, put the holder on the cable. Then take out 3. A ear muff. Here. And then push it straight into it. The ear muff will make sure our cell meter is accuracy. And we hear beep. And then is our recorder. You see the yellow light just means there's no paper inside. You should remember that the paper is clockwise forward. And then the yellow light is off. All the sensory is connected. And then I will showing you how to use all the sensory. First is the SpO2 sensor. We should remember that the SpO2 sensor is and the non-invasive blood pressure cuff not in the same side. Non-invasive blood pressure, then water, and then we will hear the pump. And then is the cellmeter. The cellmeter should be put straight into the ear hole. And then we press the start button one time. Then we hit beep. Then the temperature is showing on the screen. And after all the parameters test is measured, we can create the recorder. Press again, stop the recorder. Here is the recorder. And this button is the speed. The speed means we can confirm the lamp. And we press this button over 1 second. It means silence. No sounds. And how the information. This is the patient's information. We can set the patient's information in here, and this is the new patients. We can reset the patient's information. And the recorder setup, we can set up the recorder is circle recorder or the circle recorder time. If there's a lamp, the recorder will record. And the lamp recorder time between every record, grading and record speed. And the network setup. Our V6 can connect with the central station. So we can set the IP address, mask, and gateway. And the machine number will showing on the central station. And the menu. In main menu, we have the song setup, lamp setup, system setup, display setup, unite setup, machine information. In song setup, we can set the beep value and a lamp value. 1 to 5 or off. 1 to 5 or off. And display setup. can set up the backlight and color and the screen switch. A lamp setup, we can set the limit of all the lamp. Unite setup, can set the NIBP unite, SPO2 unite, and temperature unite. And the system setup, we can set up the language and the demo mode is open or not, and date time setup. And machine maintenance. The password is 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 9. And in the machine maintenance, we can have the non-invasive blood pressure test, and if the non-invasive blood pressure have a pass rate or the SPO2 default limit, and the lamp speed time, and then is factory maintenance. The password is 7, 8, 5, 6, 2, 3. You can set if you optional sound function. If we turn this off, the recorder cannot work. And the SPO2 module, we can have the Massimo and the MP100. And the nurse calling, off or not. Press this key to back the main menu. And we can press this key to switch the screen in the main screen. First is non-invasive blood pressure review, and then is trade screen and the lamp screen and trade graphic. And this is the monitor mode. And what will happen in the clinic mode? In clinic mode, there's no name, just the patient's ID. Every patient has the ID. And when some patient's ID came in, our monitor will find out the previous data and made the current and put the current data into the previous one. So in the clinic mode, our monitor can monitor not only one patient, it's multi-patient. And they have something different between clinic mode and monitor mode. In monitor mode, we have lamp message, nurse call, and in the clinic mode, we have standby mode and multi-patients. That's all.